All right, so I'm back home in Fort White and I have a great tips and tricks video for you. This is a 2011 F-150 Lariat Limited. I actually did some leather seats in here, a cat skin kit. Client loved it, worked out great. Only issue is this back seat latch was broken when it came in and we were wanting to get it fixed. I'm gonna show you where it's broken here. So this latch, if you know the style, it's very familiar. You can see where it's broken right there. And unfortunately, these latches are completely discontinued. I tried to get them from the manufacturer. I tried to get them aftermarket and they are not available. So to satisfy the client, what I did is I disconnected this wire which pulls on the latch, seeing that the latch is broken, and I added this pull strap right here. You can see that it's actually bolted in down there, so it'll never come undone. When you pull on it, the seat's gonna come down like it should. But best of all, when everything's nice and in place and down, it looks factory. So nobody's gonna notice that that was something that was done. The seat's gonna function like it's supposed to, and everybody's happy. Thanks for checking out the tips and tricks, and until next time.